ഗുഡ് ഈവനിങ്, നമസ്കാരം. വളരെ അനുഗ്രഹിക്കപ്പെട്ട ഒരു സന്ധ്യയിലേക്കാണ് നമ്മൾ നടന്നു കയറുന്നത്. ഇവിടെ കൂടിയിരിക്കുന്ന നമ്മളിൽ ബഹുഭൂരിപക്ഷം ആൾക്കാരും കാഴ്ച എന്ന ദൈവത്തിൻ്റെ വലിയ അനുഗ്രഹം ലഭിച്ചവരാണ്.
അനുരാഗത്തിൻ വേളയിൽ വരമായി വന്നൊരു സന്ധ്യയിൽ മനമേ നീ പാടൂ പ്രേമാർദ്രം. ൂരും പേരും പറയാതെ ഉയിരിൽ നിറയും നീയാരോ, അതിരും അതിലും ഇല്ലാതെ കനവിൽ വളരും നീയാരോ.
ആണ്ടേലോണ്ടെ നേരെ കണ്ണിലെ ചന്ദിരന്റെ പുലാലാണ് കണ്ടപാടെ നാണം കൊണ്ടേവോ. ചുക്കി ജോ തൂനെ കാട്ടി ഹൈ ചോരി സെ കാട്ടി ഹൈ യഹാ വഹാ रूठी हूँ मैं तुझसे रूठी हूँ मुझे मना लेना ओ जान जा.
छेड़ेंगे हम तुमको लड़की तू है बड़ी बुम्बाट.
The next song is going to be done in total darkness because we do this for our shows. This is basically for two things. One, to take you through the experience of how it feels to be visually challenged when you are enjoying a program like this. And also to say that, at least when it comes to music, being visually challenged, not being able to see is not a disability but an added ability, because you will be able to pick each and every note of the music because you don't have visual distraction. So as musicians, I think they're an advantage and not a disadvantage. So we will have Vijay Yesudas performing this song, and after the song starts, we'll dim the light and it's going to be total pitch darkness. Okay, so enjoy this.
അല്ലിയാമ്പൽ കടലിലന്നരയ്ക്കു വെള്ളം അന്നു നമ്മളൊന്നായി തുഴഞ്ഞില്ലേ കൊതുമ്പുവള്ളം. ഞാൻ കൊണ്ടുവന്നപ്പോൾ പെണ്ണെ നിൻ കവിളിൽ കണ്ടു മറ്റൊരു താമരക്കാട്. പെണ്ണെ നിൻ കവിളിൽ കണ്ടു മറ്റൊരു താമരക്കാട്. അല്ലിയാമ്പൽ കടവിലന്നരയ്ക്കു വെള്ളം അന്ന് നമ്മളൊന്നായി തുഴഞ്ഞില്ലേ കൊതുമ്പുവള്ളം. നമ്മുടെ നെഞ്ചിലാകെ അനുരാഗ കരിക്കിൻ വെള്ളം. നമ്മുടെ നെഞ്ചിലാകെ അനുരാഗ കരിക്കിൻ വെള്ളം.
Friends, this has been a unique experience, as you can all imagine. When they asked me to dance with them and do a Tilana, honestly speaking, I had underestimated their capacity. So when I went for rehearsal, one day, a couple of hours in Bangalore, I visited their studio. And I was amazed at the complicated rhythm patterns they had grasped and they were able to execute. And I was also traveling a lot and I was really worried about whether I'd have enough rehearsal time to learn up this Tilana. And the best thing was they are telling me and they're giving me the support. They're saying, don't worry, madam, definitely you're going to do well. And I was thinking in my mind, who's supporting whom here, you know? And that is the spirit I have taken, really. It's all our preconceived notions, as I said, so you just have to be normal with them, and they are really very normal. And I never, in fact, after dancing with them a little bit, I never felt that they were visually challenged, honestly. And I'm not saying this to patronize them or to sound correct when we're talking on stage. I really never felt the handicap. They were just as good as any of us. And maybe eye movements could be a little bit of a problem, but I'm sure even that they'll train themselves to learn later. And one really fascinating thing I'd like to share with you. Yesterday we were rehearsing on the stage, and one of them came and told me, Lakshmi, you're dancing wrong. It's not one right and one left, Diditai, it's two right and two left. I said, how did you know? They said, we can hear it, we know. And I'd never realized as dancers, we give, without us knowing, we give different intensity for each foot, different energy levels, just naturally. And they're picking up all that. And I think for me, it has opened up a totally different world that we all have, but have never realized because we're so dependent. I think we are the ones so dependent on our visual capacity that we have subdued all these other faculties that we have. And really, the human body is nothing short. I mean, it is a miracle. It is God's creation. When you see all these people, you realize that none of them take any help. Just to tell you what's happening backstage, none of them take any help to change, including wearing our fan, putting up the, we have hooks here on the side of our Bharatanatyam costumes. Every single thing they handle themselves. I think only help they took was for a little bit of lipstick and eye makeup. I'm sure even that they'll know how to do. But they are really independent.
Tanadim, Diranadim.